Welcome back to the channel. Quick update on the Boss 302. All the suspension is in, roller wheels are on, so I can get it down on the ground. And then it goes off to have some paint correction and light buffing on Friday. Front valance bumper all back on. Front suspension is in. I think most of you guys saw that in one of the last videos. Since then, disc brakes and all the brakes have been put on. I've also installed power steering hoses. Rear has been detailed as far as I'm going to detail it, maybe a couple other marks on shocks and such. And rear brakes need to be installed. I'm waiting for the drums to get cut. She's down on the ground, ready to roll. I gotta kick the lift out from under it, but you can see the paint's really, really good. Man, it's a nice original paint car. But you know, through the years, some scratches here and there. You know, little marks in the paint, not really scratches, but little marks in the paint from guys leaning over the fender, resting their arms on the door. This stuff that can be all buffed out and worked through a mild paint correction. Nothing major. It's a really great car. But there she is.